Hi, my name is Catherine Pappas, and the app I've chosen to review is Skyscape Medical App. Skyscape was founded in 2020. It's intended to be used by physicians, nurses, and students, be it nursing or doctorate, for the purpose of having somewhat of a pocket resource for medical research on different topics and medications in the clinical setting. This app is available for iPhone and Android users. It can be downloaded in the app stores available to either device free of charge. And while this app is primarily used by physicians and nurses, it also has resources available for veterinarians and pharmacists. This app is beneficial to be used at the bedside because it can be used for patient education in the moment. It offers a calculator to do any drug calculations. It offers education on different topics, and it can also be used as a drug guide for any medications that a patient may be asking questions about. Additional benefits of this app is that it includes NCLEX apps and questions of the week, study resources, USMLE exam preparation questions, and access to a human anatomy app. While these features are not necessarily part of the free version, they are easy to access if one is willing to pay the subscription fee. Physicians, nurses, and pharmacists have accessibility to standardized calculations used nationwide, and it can also be used as a safety feature for checking drug compatibility. The usability of this app is great for those of all ages and generations. You do not have to be tech savvy in order to use the Skyscape Med app. It is very straightforward. When you log in, the home page will provide you to quick, easy links to all of its features. And you have the ability to bookmark certain topics that you're looking up in the clinical consult function, so you can go back and access them without having to research them at ease. Nurses, out of all medical professionals, may find this app especially intriguing because it is able to be used with patient education, which is such a big part of a nurse's job. When it comes to discharging a patient, it's the responsibility of the nurse to provide the patient with their home education, be it their follow-up on their diagnosis or their medications they'll be taking. This app allows the nurse to research any medical topic, any diagnosis that the patient might have, and be a refresher to the nurse when they're teaching the patient to make sure that they're giving out accurate information. It's also great for MedPass because you can cross-reference different drug interactions, and you can also educate the patients on possible side effects and interactions so they know what to look out for and things to avoid when taking certain medications. And then the calculator feature is great because you're able to do certain nursing equations and double check yourself to make sure that everything is accurate. This slide is an example of how easy this app is to use. This is an example of accessing COPD exacerbation education to give to a patient. There's no risk of any HIPAA violations while using this app because no personal information or patient information is used with this application. And then all the information that is provided is always backed up with a recent citation from a reliable source. And it's also just important to reiterate that this application is created and managed by physicians and those in the medical field. If you're spending some time using and reviewing this app, I found it to be very beneficial in my own practice, and I currently still have it downloaded on my phone and use it at work to this